It's a little flat-bottomed speedboat. It's got a 396 in it. Oh, nothing to see here. And they're off. Maiden voyage. Gonna need to wax that. Staten boy tries out a flat bottom. News at 11. Just a man and his boat and his pimp. This is the George Burns round. You can hear George's voice. The commentary. That was awesome, but I was scared. You can hear it from here. Got a gift. Now I get it. I get it now. Wow.
Right?
It's so, I mean, it's
intense.
It pulls hard. As hard as anything I've ridden in.
It's insane.
Yeah, it's wicked.
Yeah.
Love it.
It is a straight up drag boat.
Successful day one adventure in the V-Drive. George, what did you think of your ride?
It's probably the most amazing vehicle I've ever ridden in, but for a guy who doesn't know boats very well, it's a little intimidating, but it was awesome. I know Kirk, knows his boats and I trust him, but it was a little intimidating. My forearm hurts a little bit from grabbing the side.
Same.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It was, I guess probably a smart way to say it would be a visceral experience or visceral response.
I don't even know how to describe the feeling. To anybody that's never done this, you can't describe it to them.
Well, you've driven 9-second cars.
Nothing ever felt like that.
Yeah, that's that's the thing. It's like, ridden and driven some stuff, but nothing quite like that.
Yep, for sure.
Thanks to our favorite pimp.
That was a really good trip down here. Yeah. Wait till Tammy rides in it.
Oh, look at that. All safe and sound. Back in the garage.